Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Magic Retouch feature on Lensa app. Magic Retouch allows you to improve your photos in one click. So let me show you how it works. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Lensa app, and right here first you have to add a photo to the app, so just tap at that big plus sign and now you can select any photo from your camera roll. Let it be that one. You can just tap on photo to check mark it, and after that you can hit on add to add the photo to the app. So now you just have to wait for some time, maybe about 5 seconds, and right here, just underneath the photo, you can easily find Magic Retouch feature. That's actually the presets that fit this image the best, and let me scale this image for a bit. And you can easily apply them to your photo just by touching on that presets. If you want to compare the result with the original photo, you can just hit right here at reset and then hit at Magic Retouch filter. So in that way you can improve your photos in one click. As you can see, there is quite big difference with the original. You see how looks background is blurred, and how looks the face of the girl on that filter. Also you can add another filters, and as you can see, I like that one the most. It makes this photo looks more professional with that blurred background and with that face contouring and more detailed face with more eye contrast. As you can see, the eyes stand out well in this photo. And that's all about how to use Magic Retouch feature. You can try any of them. As for now, there are just 4 different Magic Retouch filters. Maybe in the future they will add here more, but as of now there are 4 of them. And once you finished editing your photo, you can hit right here at save button to save it to your camera roll. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Lensa tutorials playlist, where you will find a lot of useful tutorials. Just check the link in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.